Hello, friends. I'm very happy you're here today. Thank you for learning with us again. I'm Vitalina, your teacher. It's always nice to learn English together.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake. I'm happy too, and a little excited.
Excited is good. Today we have a special lesson. We will learn how to introduce yourself in English. A simple introduction, a longer introduction, and a formal introduction for work.
Oh, I really need this. Sometimes when I meet new people, my brain stops working.
That happens to many people. But today we will learn everything slowly and clearly. And friends, I want to leave a small bonus for you. If you're curious, please look in the description under this video after the lesson. I wrote some interesting verbs from our lesson there. If some of these words are new for you, you can copy them and use them.
Oh, that's wonderful. I hope our viewers will like this bonus from you. And friends, please write in the comments if you have any wishes or ideas for our lessons. We're happy to read them.
Good. Let's start. When you meet someone for the first time, the first thing you say is your name. I'm Vitalina. My name is Vitalina. I am Vitalina.
Very simple. Even I can say that.
Try now.
I'm Jake. My name is Jake. I am Jake.
Perfect. After your name, you say where you are from. I'm from Dallas.
Dallas sounds warm and sunny.
Yes, it is warm and sunny. And where are you from, Jake?
I'm from Bristol, a rainy place.
Rain is relaxing sometimes. Now we continue. A good introduction can include more small facts about your life. You don't need long sentences, just simple ideas.
Yes, give me many ideas. My brain sometimes stops after I'm Jake.
Okay, listen. I'm Vitalina. I'm from Dallas. I'm a teacher. I speak English and a little Spanish. I love reading, cooking, and long walks. I live with my family. I have a dog. His name is Max. I love coffee in the morning. I enjoy meeting new people. I'm friendly and patient. I moved to this city 2 years ago. I'm happy to be here.
Wow, that sounds so natural and real, like a small, warm story.
Yes, small sentences, simple words, but very friendly. Friends, remember, you decide how much you want to say about yourself. You can say only your name and your job, or you can say more. It depends on the situation. But I want to show you many options, so you can choose what feels comfortable for you. If you want, you can open your heart a little more and tell people about your hobbies, your family, your pets, or your dreams. It's your choice.
Yes, sometimes I say more, sometimes less. It depends on the moment.
Exactly. You can always decide. Jake, now you try a long introduction.
Okay, here I go. I'm Jake. I'm from Bristol. I'm a student. I love motorbikes and music. I play tennis on weekends. I live with my parents and my sister. I help my dad in the garage. I like learning English. I want to travel in the future. I'm a little shy, but friendly. And I'm happy to be here today.
Very good, Jake. Very natural and very clear.
I feel like a professional self-introducer.
Yes, you are one now.
And what about a job interview or meeting new colleagues?
In formal situations, we speak a little more politely. Still simple, still friendly, just a little more professional. Hello, I'm Vitalina. It's nice to meet you. I'm from Dallas. I'm a teacher, and I have experience working with students. I'm happy to join the team. I look forward to working with you.
Ooh, that sounds very polite and very confident.
Now, you try a formal introduction, Jake.
Hello, I'm Jake. It's nice to meet you. I'm from Bristol. I'm new here. I will work in the service team. I am happy to join the company. I look forward to working with everyone.
Excellent, Jake. That is very professional.
Thank you. I'm ready for a real job now.
Good. When you meet someone, you can ask simple questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do? Do you live near here?
These questions are easy to say, but sometimes I don't really understand one of them.
Which one?
The question, what do you do? I always hear it, but I'm not 100% sure what it really means.
Good question. Many students are confused about what do you do. What do you do does not mean what are you doing now. It is not about this moment. It asks about your life, your job, or your main activity.
So, if someone asks me, what do you do? They want to know my job?
Exactly. You can answer with your job or your main role. For example, I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a designer. I'm a driver. I'm a worker. I'm looking for a job right now.
Yes, now I understand. What do you do equals your life. What are you doing equals right now.
Very good, Jake. Jake, now let's learn something important. When you meet new people, you must choose good questions.
Oh, yes, sometimes I ask strange things.
Yes, I remember. So let's learn slowly. Good questions are simple and friendly. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do? Do you live near here?
These feel very soft and natural.
Yes, they help you start a comfortable conversation.
And which questions are not good?
Some questions are too personal. For example, how old are you? Are you married? Do you have children? How much money do you make?
Yes, these questions can ruin the whole conversation.
Exactly. People can feel shy, nervous, or uncomfortable.
So I should ask light questions first and rate with personal ones.
Yes, that is the best way.
Can we practice?
Of course, let's try positive examples first.
What's your name?
My name is Vitalina. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dallas.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
This feels good.
Yes, now let's try bad ones.
How old are you?
Jake, this is too personal for the first meeting.
Yes, I see. How much money do you make?
Jake, no.
Okay, I understand now.
Remember, Jake, good questions, friendly. Bad questions, too personal.
Perfect. Now I know what to ask and what not to ask.
Jake, now let's pretend we meet for the first time in a new office.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, I'm Vitalina. What's your name?
I'm Jake. Nice to meet you, Vitalina.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Bristol, a rainy place. And you?
I'm from Dallas, a sunny place.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm new here. I will work in the service team.
That's great. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like music, I like motorbikes, and I play tennis. What about you?
I like reading, I like cooking, and I enjoy long walks with my dog, Max.
Max sounds great. I like dogs.
He's very cute. Do you live near here?
Not very near. I take the bus. And you?
I live in the center. It's a nice area.
Thank you for talking with me. I feel more comfortable now.
You are welcome, Jake. You did very well. A good introduction can be simple. Your name, where you are from, your job, your hobbies, a small personal detail, and good questions.
Yes, and no strange questions.
Exactly. Friends, as I promised, I have a small bonus for you. In the description under this video, I left some interesting verbs from our lesson today. If some of these words are new for you, you can copy them and use them in your own sentences.
That's a really nice bonus. Friends, don't forget to check the description and save those verbs for your practice.
Friends, now please write your introduction in the comments. Your name, where you are from, your job, your hobbies.
Yes, write it. And don't worry, simple sentences are perfect.
And please subscribe to Do You Know English so you don't miss our next lessons.
Yes, more lessons are coming.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.